Have you ever wondered why thousands of people want to work in Luxembourg? The answer might surprise you. Despite being one of Europe's smallest countries, Luxembourg offers some of the highest salaries and an excellent quality of life. Stay until the end, because I'll also show you where to find genuine jobs and how to avoid scams. Luxembourg is a major hub for banking, logistics, technology, manufacturing, and healthcare. Every year, many employers recruit international workers to fill skill shortages. Some of the most in-demand jobs in 2026 include warehouse workers, factory workers, truck drivers, construction workers, hotel staff, nurses, engineers, IT specialists, and finance professionals. Let's talk about salaries. Warehouse workers can earn around €2,500 to €3,500 per month. Construction workers often earn between €2,800 and €4,200. Truck drivers can earn up to €4,500, while engineers and IT professionals may earn €5,000 to €8,000 or more, depending on experience and qualifications. Many viewers ask if visa sponsorship is available. The answer is yes. Some employers do sponsor work permits, especially for shortage occupations. However, sponsorship depends on the employer's needs and whether you're the right candidate. It is never guaranteed. To find genuine opportunities, start with trusted websites like ADEM, EURES, Work in Luxembourg, Adecco Luxembourg, Robert Half Luxembourg, Michael Page Luxembourg, Greenfield Luxembourg, LinkedIn Jobs, and Indeed Luxembourg. Here's an important warning: never pay anyone who promises you a guaranteed job or visa. Always verify the employer and apply through official websites. Genuine companies recruit based on your qualifications, not upfront payments. If you're serious about working in Europe, start preparing a professional CV, improve your skills, and apply consistently. Your next opportunity could be just one application away. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Follow visa experts for the latest visa sponsorship jobs, work permit updates, and career opportunities across Europe. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the very best on your journey to Luxembourg.